All right, crew, here it is. We have a 3-year Merlin mixer this time. We have 2 boxes of each of 22-23, 21-22, and 20-21. It's PYT number 3. We've done this in the past. Here we go. Natty Phil. Let's check it out. We did a 4-year mixer. It was this same thing with 2 boxes of this year's stuff. Well, I don't know if you can say this year. 23-24, 24-25 products starting to come out, but Merlin is not out yet, so we don't have any 23-24 left right now, so we went down to a 3-year, and I think we're out of, I think this is the last 2 of 22-23, but I could be wrong. Shop might have some, it's all I see in here. Congratulations, there's some sort of autograph right there, it looks like. I didn't see who it was, but I hate that the hits are on the back in this year. So you get spoilers if you're paying attention. I hate that, just opening a box myself at home. Like, I don't want to open it and instantly, boom, the hit is
Or if
staring
you
in the
open
face.
it backwards.
How do you open it backwards? It's not...
I don't know. You find a way.
Oh, my lord. I've seen some people, it's crazy. Some people cut the packs right here.
Oh, so you can just snip the top of the...
Right, yeah, it's like, I don't trust myself to cut the pack right there. I'm going to PSA 3 all my cards, probably, if I do that. But I've seen it. Trade night is 2 weeks from tomorrow. 2 weeks from tomorrow at the shop. I think it's an earlier one again. I don't know for sure off the top of my head. But we moved it up last time, and it was way better than 6 to 10.
I will check.
It was like 3 to 7 or something. 4 to 8, whatever it was. Well, I was going to check, though. It's going to get us an accurate number.
4:30 to 8.
4:30 to 8. There you go. 4:30 to 8. 3.5 hours of trading glory.
And snacks, right?
And snacks, yeah, whatever snacks. When Jerry buys them, at least one of the snacks is absolute trash. Like the worst snack you've ever tasted.
Well, it's up to you to figure out which one it is.
Right. We always have, unless they can't work it out logistically, Deep Patrol's pizza, baby. That's what it's all about right there. Card camo. Bring that guy down a little bit. Thank you, sir. 5:30, is that accurate? 5:30?
5:30.
5:30 on the 101 bounty. Let's do it right now. Matthew O'Reilly on the rookie refractor. All right, gold atomic here. It's upside down. Let's check it out. It is nice. Holland, baby. Man City, 38 of 50. John, beauty right there. Not a bad little start. A little Holland love. Nothing wrong with that. I'll flip over anything that's numbered or autoed, of course. I won't flip over every little card on the base. They're every which way. Pablo Barrios. Atletico. A couple of the combos are cut off. Olympique is the last one in that Lazio one. You can see that. Granada is the last one in that Atletico one. Marseille has like 3 or 4 more teams after that. So that one's got a bunch. Luka Jovic, Fiorentina, 171 out of 350 on the green shimmer. Fiorentina is in the Copenhagen spots. Joe. Dybala. Atzili. UFC tomorrow, right? Isn't it Strickland and Drakus? De Ketelier on the Merlin 1 per. Arlo. And Zhang Weili is defending her title, right? Etiquette. Shevsky to round it out. All right. We haven't hit an auto yet, right?
Did not.
So Schinter. There's the boy right there. Quentin Merlin. I mean, fitting, right? A Dingra. This Dingra's a decent little rookie. Harry Kane. King of Tottenham. We have a rose gold shimmer, it looks like, coming up. It's a rookie. There's something behind this Gakpo, though. Vlahovic. Going to Copenhagen. That's going to be Joe's. Joe. Bargy. 130 out of 299, Joe. On the nice rose gold shimmer. Any is Julian Alvarez. Nice. Rookie refractor. Man City's off to a nice little start. It's going to be our auto right here. There's a base refractor auto. It is Timo Werner. Leipzig. It's got Leipzig. Eric does. Easy E, where you at, man? Timo. Decent little box one there. Take that. Box two. Coming in hot. Then we move on to the 21-22. Couple boxes, and then we finish off with the 2021. Congratulations, autograph. That one got spoiled on me. I wasn't expecting it. Damn. Thank you, man. I was thanking Jake for saying nice one, but I'm still going to thank you for taking the spots.
Got 8 left in NBA hoops.
8 left in hoops.
The Hawks and Wizards are the biggest teams left, 85 and 129 respectively.
That's Sar and Versace, right? Where's Reggie at? I gotta ask him because there was a lot of talk about Trae Young going to the Spurs. I wonder if he likes De'Aaron Fox better. I know he's happy with the De'Aaron Fox trade, but like even last year he was calling because there were a lot of rumbling going on about Trae Young going to the Spurs eventually. I'd rather have De'Aaron Fox, but I'm not a big Trae Young guy in general. He's got some talent.
I think Trae Young's leading the league in assists.
Is he really?
Yeah.
Wow. Joker's averaging like 30, 12, and 10 on the year. Guy's insane. Trae Young?
Trae Young and then Jokic.
Really? Second in the league? That's not crazy. Jeez. Are they the only guys? No, it's got to be more in double digits, right?
No, just those two.
Oh, just those two? Wow. And Jokic's at like 12, isn't he?
At 10.
Oh, 10. It's 12 on rebounds then?
Yes.
Okay. Green here is Bastoni, 33 out of 99. The Merlin green looks very sharp as well. The blue and the green look great in Merlin. Bastoni, Inter Milan. That is... Where is Inter Milan? Eric in the Arsenal spot. Another Dinger base. Window, Nusa. Layout, refractor. Boston. Atomic. Greasy, 96 out of 250. Atletico de Madrid. Atletico. Chris Cafaro. What's up, Chris? Guendouzi. Got the 1 per here. It's a Shuey. Where's Ant-Man at? Real Madrid spot. Took Real on this one. Eric. That's good, Eric. What are you boiling tonight, dude? Haven't seen you in chat. Aklush. Refractor. Ooh, orange here is Greasy. Jeez. 15 of 25. Not perfect up there above his head there on the edge and surface. But still nice. Atletico. That was Chris. Nice orange. Orange is not easy to come by in something like this. Ski. There's an Arda base. That Fenerbahce spot. We hit that nice auto the other day. Joe's a base for your troubles in that spot. It's Malik. Nice. What's this, like Roma or something? Oh, West Ham. Naif Agurd. 94 of 275. West Ham is Eric in the Arsenal combo. Samudric. Mbappe, nice on the refractor. PSG, John. Bakayoko. And Rooney, Barkey, rookie ink for Copenhagen. Joe, we hit like a parallel of his already, right? Yeah, right there. That like shimmer right there.
Yeah.
All right. On to 21-22. 21-22. Here it comes. Let us know if you want to see anything else tonight. Anything that obviously doesn't break, we'll stay on the site for potential rips on Monday, of course. We will be here Monday. Super Bowl. Wait a minute. Nope. It's not a match ball, but it's thick. It's just got a bunch of cards. I bet you that one of these packs has not enough cards in it. I think it's a match ball. It is? I don't feel the ball anywhere. I don't know what this is. We'll do that last, I guess. Pack's right there. I think it's a match ball, but it doesn't, I literally can't feel any sort of match ball in there. But it's thick and says congratulations, so. I don't know. Ooh, that was a, that might have been a Rennie. It's going to be a Rennie and a match ball in the same box? No way. It's going to be a wild box. We'll find out shortly here, I guess, huh? How can you 4-0 it in credit for me?
Yep.
Thank you, sir. Packs to go here. This pack feels thin. That's 4 cards. This pack also feels thin. That's 4 cards. I don't know. Just throwing me for a loop. Alright, here we go. Barnettia. Iqbal on the rookie refractor. Jonathan David. Lille. Hey, Jake, you have them, right? It's your boy, right? Jonathan David. E23. Alright, these are too many of these are upside down, so. Is it Gavi? Who got Barcelona in this one? John did. Timothy, who's got Dortmund for the next year? Joe does. Yeah, Boadu. Blue Shimmer here? Rookie Blue Shimmer. Good luck. It is Hannibal. Blue Shimmer, Man U. Tell me that doesn't look beautiful. Come on. 23 out of 75. Man U. John.
Hannibal.
Hannibal, yeah.
Oh.
Everything. Killing me. So you just switch over though, and then it's like upside down the other way. Body of Shield. Nicola Barret. There might be a Rennie in here. I don't know. Sukic. Brima Darbo. There is I haven't seen this design in a bit. It's been a hot minute since I've seen the 21-22 Rennies. It is Chiesa Juve. Man, this design is nice. All the Rennies look so good, though. Juventus. That is Sean. Sean, beautiful card. Federico Chiesa. Nice. These are case hits. Speckle Mason Mounts. Chelsea spot. 82 out of 150. Eric's got a squad this time. There you go, Eric. Comic. Sadio Mane. Liverpool. 86 out of 250. Camden. And Shauna. All right, so match ball, I guess. All right, good luck here. Assuming it's match ball. Ooh, it is. Look at this beauty. Oh, it was just flush up against. Couldn't even tell. Gnabry, Bayern, red on red. How sick is that? UEFA Champions League, perfectly in the window. Beauty right there. Look at that thing. Love to see it. 1 of 10. Sick hit. Bayern, flip. Nice card, flip. And match ball's a gold one the other day in the 4-year mixer, a red one today. Jeez. That's going to be a 260 one-touch love.
260 one touch?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Okay.
An Ultra Pro, not with a sleeve. Ultra Pro brand. Unless the thickness is different. I don't think so. We have a 360 over here that Soren opened the other day. I'll check it. Man, where's the chat gone? Red match ball? Damn. And a Rennie in the same pot. That's crazy. All right, we are halfway home on this mixer. We are halfway home on this year's boxes. That was an auto right there. I didn't see what it was. You may have. I don't know. Yeah, that piece of the ball right there, tucked perfectly in the window, is absolutely beautiful.
Hoops is down to 2.
Ooh, Hoops is going.
Camacho took a ton of teams. Thanks, Mike.
Mike, and then Mike Pettit grabbed a few of something. Thanks, Mike. Mike and Mike. They should have the top holographic stickers to the match ball so you can see what game it's from. That would be cool. Be pretty cool, man. That's a good idea. Call your local Tops rep. See if they can get on that, yeah? Fanatics rep, I guess. Fanatics Tops. Any soccer guys want to buy a collection, hit me up. You have a lot of great cards. You selling your entire soccer collection, Stefan? Legit? Like your whole collection in one swoop? I hate you for that one. That's your squad sometimes, huh? Ray Bigger? Flip, I haven't seen Flip in chat in a little bit, but it's been hopping in some breaks. Love to see it, Flip. Appreciate you, dude. Ooh, nice. There's our auto. That's a nice one. Min Sun Auto. John, there you go, dude. That's a nice card. Beautiful. Base Refractor Auto, but that's a nice name. Yes, Merlin's been very good to us. Really good. Jude. Hey, nothing wrong with there. 1 year too early, but that's still a beautiful hit. Dortmund. Joe. 18 of 99, Joe, on the Jude. Love to see that. All right, really heating up here in this one. Short tire. Oliver Skip. Cole Palmer, there he is. Man, spot, just the base, but we'll take it. And a teal here. It is Kakare. Olympique Lyonnais. So this is the Olympique spot. Marseille is listed as Marseille on our list. Olympique, it's the one cutoff in Lazio combos. Jake's 188 out of 199. I think we have an orange last card of this stack. Matsuma. Rookie refractor. Liam Delap. Sukic on the base. Tell. I thought you said Tell doesn't have the rookie logo. Jake. Mike, what's up, man? You'll sell any or all. I don't resell on any platform at the moment and will be super fair. Oh, okay. John might be interested. There you go. Orange Mojo. Good luck here. It is nice. Doku Stade. 23 out of 25. Doku Stade. All right. Down to the 2021 boxes. 2 of them, to be exact. Mike, how you doing, man? You got a big Super Bowl party, don't you? You're hosting a big Super Bowl party. I know it. How many people you got coming over? Like 40, Mike? Come on, tell me I'm right. 40 people going to your house for the Super Bowl. Tell me I nailed it. Does he? I don't know much about him. I don't follow him. I just know he's a great player. I don't follow the guy, though. I do like good dudes. Oh, I knew you did New Year's. That's why I was just kind of assuming you might do Super Bowl as well. It was worth a shot. You go to someone's house? That's cool. What about when the Bears are in it, though? All right. The year is 2060. The Bears are in the Super Bowl. Are you hosting? Are you going to your friend's house that usually hosts? Or are you like, nobody's watching this with me. It's just me, the kids, the wife, whatever. It's just me and my family at most when the Bears are in the Super Bowl. What do you think, Mike? And we'll pretend the year is like 2028, even though I said 2060 at the start. Just because you're not going to be like, I'll be in the nursing home or something, you know what I mean? Bears in the Super Bowl. How are you watching it? I just don't know if that changes the equation for you. Oh, is it Sokka that doesn't? I thought you were talking about Tell too. Jake, in the future, I'm always on immediately with the drops for breaks. Nah, we don't do that, Tyler. We don't do that, Tyler. Sale Mockers. Wizards of the Pitch. Adeyemi. Nice. Love Adeyemi. This is a great year. Great year. Gio Reyna. I want a wheel spin for the Bears negativity. Might be able to do that for you. We did take a bunch of hoop stuff. Koulibaly. 145 out of 250. Doku. Trade bait for Reggie. Saka. Brandon Williams. Doku. Little base. And Blacadimos. Odysseus. That's a cool last name. 111 out of 150. That's a great name. Love that. Ribas. Harvey Barnes. Come on. Where big boys has. Is that a gold down there? Come on, be a gold. Be a nice one. Wizards of the Pitch, Mbappe. Day. Gravy. Such a good rookie class. Jude, here he is. Yeah, I mean, we don't know what you guys do. We don't promote that. We'll put it that way, Tyler. We don't promote it, you know? Just so everybody's got a shot. You do you, but gold is Alphonso Davies. That's still cool. Dang, Bayern. Flip, man. That's a 18 out of 50. This design is very clean. 2021. So good. All good, dude. Trincao, Greeny, Barcelona. 15 of 99. John. Tonali. Ooh, where's our auto? Alejandro Marquez. He goes Marquez and then throws an A after. That's cool. Juventus. Sean. Adams. All right, so just a Jude base. Jude's obviously a massive chase in 2021. Nice. Nice little gold in there, though. Tyler, I was in the Dave's parking lot messaging you. Usually you're like, boom, on the messages the other day. Or yesterday, right? I was like, dude, the Jimmy Rolls, I was pretty sure they have them in the case. But I didn't know for sure, and I know you get them a lot. So I was like, dude, do they have them? And you weren't messing me right back, and I was like, I'm just sitting in the Dave's parking lot. I was going home, so down to Hope Valley. So I had to drive by, but it was like 30 seconds away from Dave's, you know? And then he got back to me, and I was like, I had already started going. I was like, eh. Hi, Stefan. That's your permission to give him your email address, I take it? I can do that if you're cool with that. They need to make a coffee ice cream one, though, man. 100% coffee ice cream one. Last box of this mixer, and it looks like Hoops on deck. We're missing, what, one team?
Yeah, one team. It is the Jazz.
Just the Jazz. Who wants some Utah love? Guess they can't confirm if they have the ability. Yeah, yeah. I mean, they could if they had, like, it built into their system, but it wasn't even on the list, though. Like, even on the menu, like, only available in person, you know what I mean? All right, Stefan, no problem. No problem. He doesn't have the 101 Holland gold frame auto that we hit for him. He already sold that one, John, so in case you were wondering. That was before your time with Rhodey. Chabi. Torres. Doku. This is such a good rookie class. So many good names that you recognize. Nintendo. Grabby. Kenneth Taylor. Does the shop have a freezer? Yeah, it does, Tyler. Yep. Jude, second base. Messy Wizards. They have a fridge, a little freezer down in the basement. Gareth Bale. Atomic cracked. 189 out of 250. Tottenham, John. All right. Pretty uneventful first 2/3 of this box. Maybe there's something lurking here. Who knows? Here's a nice Kamavinga refractor. Nothing wrong with that. Rodrigo on the auto, Real Madrid. Rodrigo. It's RG23. Is that what he puts? Looks like it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so close to RG3. Damn. Rodrigo, Real. Eric. Rodrigo, auto. Xavi. Nothing wild in the 2021. Not huge hit. Oh, unless it's green, I guess. It is Barnezia. Under Barnezia. 33 of 99. Real Sociedad is somewhere up there. There it is. Sociedad Cafero. 2 out of 10. Sorcerers. What do you have for Ronaldo's? His kid is a big time Ronaldo guy. You got any Ronaldo, Stefan? There's a freezer for a while. That card was amazing. Oh, the Holland, yeah. The Holland was absolutely ridiculous. What'd you get for that, Stefan? Like 4,500, 5,500, something like that? We pulled that, didn't we, Stefan? That Ronaldo? We pulled a. You know who has a nice Ronaldo? Yeah, that's what I was just thinking of, Jake. Eric. We pulled a 7 of 7 Ronaldo auto. John, you should see if Eric still has that. He might never be getting rid of it. I have no idea. Maybe he already sold it. Maybe he would sell it. A little Connor, I don't know, birthday present maybe. I don't know. It's sick. It got a tough grade. Was it a 7? It was 777, I think.
That's even better. I think
It was kind of cool. Yeah, it was kind of cool. Yep, PSA 7. Yeah, it got slot machine. He just wanted it slab. We knew it was not going to grade well. You could technically crack it and just have it autoed, but it's a jersey number 7 of 7 and got a PSA 7. It's pretty wild. Pretty wild. So you could always crack it if you wanted, but honestly, in the 777, it's pretty sick. That's an eBay 101 if I've ever seen one. Jeez. All right, crew, here it is. Recap of 3-year Merlin Mixer, PYT number 3. This is 2 boxes of 2021, 21-22, and 22-23. There it is. All right, here we go. Recap. Some base and some refractors of some rookies, big names, etc. across the years. Numbered stuff here, allegedly. Jovic, Bargy, Gord, Bale. Pop 1, that's got to be a pop 1. It was a tough card to grade. It's like thick paper. It was out of Chronicles, wasn't it? That's crazy. Nice Jude. It's not the rookie Jude, but still nice Jude. Alphonso Davies, that gold is sharp. Holland, beautiful. Orange Doku, orange Greasy. Not bad on some low number stuff here. Chiesa, Renaissance, very nice. Rodrigo, Marquez, Mint Sun, Bargy, and Timo on the autos. And this beautiful out of 10 match ball Serge Gnabry. Look at that. Perfect piece in there. Game used match ball. Boom. Bayern. Flip. Congrats, man. Appreciate the fill, crew. The Merlin Mixer is officially in the books. Surprised Anthony